never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotions.
Alright. Okay, so for Team 15, we are already preparing our ingredients. Okay. So for our starter, we are going to make a creamy chicken tart with corn. What is that? Cheese. Because Chinto is going to make for this. So we have a tart here. Itong tart na ito hindi namin binili. Actually, hindi siya namin binili. I mean like, binili ko siya matagal na. So hindi siya namin nagamit. Sana sa birthday ni Ruth. So hindi siya namin nagamit. So para hindi maging sayang, so yun yung gagawin namin. So gagawa kami ng creamy chicken in tart with crispy corn. Yan. So, meron na kaming boiled corn. Nakaboil na kami ng corn. So, later papakita namin kung paano gagawin yun. And for our main dish, gagawa kami ng jeera rice. Jeera rice. So, yung ingredients for our jeera rice is obviously rice. Then, we'll put some cumin seeds at siya. Ito yung jeera. And those spices. Spices. So, we have cardamom seeds, we have star anise, we have peppercorn, we have cloves, and we have cinnamon seeds. That's for our main, for the rice, for the jeera rice. And I'm going to make a coconut milk. What do you call this? Chicken curry in a coconut, with the coconut milk. So yan, gagamit tayo ng drumstick maker. Then, lalagyan natin ng potato and carrot. And then, of course, gagawa tayo ng buttered vegetable para mas healthy. So, gagawa tayo ng buttered vegetable with carrot, corn, which is na-boiled na, and then French beans. So, mas healthy. And then, for our dessert, for another dish, is gagawin natin is paneer sa rice. So, of course, gagamit tayo ulit ng tofu. Yun. But titignan, let's see later kasi ipa-fry siya namin. So, let's see, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung mga masala na gagamitin natin. And, of course, we will going to have for our dessert. Since yesterday, we have, yung ginawa ni Cindy kakapot, bread flans. So, para mas healthy, so we will going to have a fresh bowl of cut fruits later. So, yan yung mga prutas natin. We have avocado, we have kiwi, we have sweet lime, we have apple and custard apple, atis, and then of course beetroot. Ayan. So, we'll see you later. Papakita namin, so magsa-start na kami. Na yung mantika, then we will going to put the garlic. Ayan. Merong konting chili para merong taste din. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, hintay natin mag-brown yung garlic, and then lalagay natin yung onion. Okay, so nilagay na namin yung chicken. So, hintayin natin lumambot siya. Ayan. So, dito hindi pa. Make it little brown. Okay, so yan. Brown na siya. Tapos, lalagay natin yung onion. Ayan.
Then, hintayin natin na maging lumabot din yung onion. Yung parang lutong-luto na siya talaga. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung chicken natin is malambot na. It's already cooked. As you can see. Also, nilagyan pala siya namin ng konting butter, ha? Para at least malasa siya. Ayan. Okay. So now, since the chicken is already cooked, we are going to add
Some cheese.
cheese. Okay. So that it will become creamy. And on the other side, syempre, yung onion natin hindi pa masyadong ganun ka dito. Ayan. Okay. So it's already well cooked. And then, okay. So we will going to add a cream. Full cream. Ayan. We are using Amul cream. Where is it? Sorry. So this is what we are using. We are using a fresh cream, Amul cream. At if nakita nyo, ganito kami, kinakat namin siya ng ganyan. Kasi pag binuksan lang siya dito, marami pang natitira din sa loob, yun nasa stock. So at least, di ba, kailangan natin gamitin lahat. So ayan, creamy na siya. And then lalagyan din siya natin ng pepper. Ayan. Okay, so yung ating garlic and onion, yan. So medyo nagba-brown na siya. Okay. So, ang isusunod natin is yung chicken. Yung ating chicken. So, ito yung chicken. I used drumstick. And then, I marinated it with salt and pepper. Tapos, nag-add ako ng konting chicken masala for that. Para mas malasa siya. So, ito yung chicken masala na ginamit ko. Ayan. So, manok na manok. Since yesterday, veg tayo yesterday. So, may konting non-veg naman para for protein, di ba? Ayan. So, yan. So, yun. Ito, ilalagay na natin yung chicken natin. It's already cooked. Let's put the chicken now. So, ayan. So, nilagay ko na yung chicken natin. So, hintayin natin. If ano natin yung chicken, it will take time ay siguro for chicken. Kasi gusto ko yung medyo napa-fry siya muna. Naubos lahat ng water dun sa chicken itself. And then, lalabas yung oil niya. So, yun. Kaya medyo malaki yung handy na ginamit ko para merong space. Ayan. So, it will take time. So, ipo-cover muna natin siya at hintayin natin. Okay, so our creamy chicken is already done. So, gagawin natin, we'll keep it in a separate, isa-separate natin siya at make it cool first. And then, gagawin na natin yung crispy corn natin, which is for the topping later. And then, ipapakita namin kung paano namin gagawin yung crispy corn. Okay, and then, later for the presentation. Okay, so tapos na yung yung ating creamy chicken. So gagawa na natin yung, see, ang ganda na. So gagawa na tayo ng crispy corn. So this is what, baby?
This is corn flour and corn.
And flour.
Yeah, like normal flour and corn starch. What we call corn flour.
Okay, this is a mixture of cornstarch or corn flour and then all-purpose flour. Yan. And
So
then
I'm gonna put a little bit of water until it becomes like little liquid. So
and then
I'm gonna dip the corn and then fry it.
okay, so let's see later. Okay, so it should be like this thick. So yan, makikita nyo. Yan, it should be like this thick. And then
I'm gonna add the corn.
okay, then we're going to add the corn and this, and then we'll mix it. Okay, so we'll wait for the oil to be hot. Then
We'll just drop one to see first.
okay, so
No,
we'll,
it's not yet. So we'll
It's
wait.
okay, okay,
So we'll drop in.
okay.
It will get separated later. Like once it's fried, we'll just we'll separate it later. So
Okay, so we'll just drop
few that's
the
it.
few. Okay, and then later it will going to separate itself. Yeah. Ayan,
Like once it's cooked.
we'll make it that way. Okay, then we'll see lang later na. Okay, so for our chicken, let's see. Yan, hindi pa siya, okay, we can turn now. We'll turn it. I want it a little brown also, yung parang talagang luto-luto siya. Ma-absorb talaga sa loob yung lasa. So, ayan na yung ating crispy corn. So, magiging ganito siya. Ayan. So, later, ito-toppings natin siya dun sa creamy chicken natin. Ayan. So, kusa siyang nagsa-separate lang. Ay! Sorry. So, yan na. Yan. Yun. Nagsa-separate na siya. And then, but be careful pag nagpa-fry kayo dahil tumatalsik talaga siya, ha? So, you really... Ay! Be careful! Okay naman kami. Okay pa naman kami. Yan. But just in case you want to know this, no? Oh my god. If you really want to cook this one, you have to be careful. Crispy corn is not this medyo delikado, nakakatakot pala to. Okay. So our chicken is already done. Yan. So it's time to put the carrots. Okay? So we're going to add the carrots now. So okay, ayan. Nilagay ko na yung carrots. Yan. Ay. Ayan. Then mix it well. Then after some time, mga 2 minutes, nilalagay natin yung potato. Ayan. Okay, so I have added also the carrots now. Ayan. Ay, sorry, the potato. Ayan. So, hintayin lang natin na medyo maging ano siya. Maging soft. And then, i-add natin yung coconut milk. Okay? So, ayan. We already finished with our crispy corn. Ayan. So, mamaya, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung presentation ng aming starter. See? We really struggled na iprito siya, ha? So, just in case na gusto nyo rin gawin, mag-ingat na lang tayo kasi talagang nagpa-pop siya. Talagang popcorn. So, ayan, yung chicken natin is okay na. Yung ating carrots, yung potato. So, kumukulo siya. So, ilalagay na natin yung coconut milk. Okay? Ayan. So, let's going to put our coconut milk now.
I have apple.
So, ayan siya. What you have?
Apple.
An apple. Okay. So, you go there now, okay?
I have
I'll call you later then.
I have a pineapple.
This is not pineapple. This is custard apple.
As apples.
Okay. So, yan na. Nilagay ko na yung coconut milk sa ating chicken curry. So, hintayin na lang natin kumulo siya. And then we already have a chicken curry. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, tapos na tayo sa ating chicken curry. Ayan. Yan na. I already tasted. Okay na siya. Masarap na siya. Kid-friendly din siya. So, siguro kakain din yung mga maliliit na bata mamaya. Ayan. So, tapos na tayo. Then, so, okay. Tapos na tayo sa ating chicken curry. And tapos na rin tayo for our starter. Now, I'm going to make what is that? Ang asawa ko. Pinakain ako ng ewa ko. What is that? Gummy bear? Ano? Fruity bear. Ayan. So, ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng jeera rice. Okay. So, for our jeera rice, ayan, binigyan niya ako nito. Ayan, gummy bear. No, fruity bear. Okay. So, for our jeera rice, ayan, mainit na yung ating pan. Baby, can you open this?
I called you did not come.
And this one also. Okay. So, hindi tayo gagamit ng oil. Instead, gagamit tayo ng ghee. Enough, yeah. Okay. So, this is pure ghee. Or sa atin sa Pilipinas, it's a clarified butter. Ayan. Yan ang ating gagamitin. Ayan. So, hintayin natin kumulo siya. So, okay. So, yun, mainit na yung ating ghee. And then, first yung gagawin natin, hindi tayo gagamit ng garlic, hindi rin tayo gagamit ng onion. So, instead ang gagamitin natin is eto. We're going to use the cinnamon sticks, star anise, cloves, peppercorns, and cardamom seed or elaichi seed. So, ilalagay natin lahat yan. 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 Away-away na yan. Actually, dapat may bell pepper. Kaso lang, wala akong bell pepper. Ayan. And then, after that, ito, since jeera rice, so gagamit tayo ng jeera, of course. And then, before that, nag-soak na ako ng rice. Ayan, hinugasan ko yung rice and then basmati rice and then I soak it. Ayan. So, yung lalagay natin later.
I got you water.
Okay, so we are going to make a seared butter vegetable. Okay, so pag mainit na yung ating pan, yan, lalagay tayo ng butter. Okay. Yan, hintay natin, mainit siya. Okay, so for the rice, for our jeera rice, yan. Ayan muna natin. Mainit na tayo. Then, let's put the jeera. Ayan. Patay na, pag yung jeera kasi kailangan uminit siya, yung parang nabe-break yung smoke. Ayan, para yung aroma niya lalabas. So, ayan na. Okay. We'll put the capsicum. Ayan. Okay, so yung capsicum is already cooked well. Then soft na siya. Then we'll put our French beans. Ayan. Tapos takpan natin muna para maging malambot din yung beans. So ayan, mainit na siya. So ilalagay na natin yung ating yung sinok ko na rice ha. Tinanggal ko yung water. Yan, and then lalagay natin yung rice. Ayan. So, nilagay ko na yung rice na sinok kanina. Ayan. So, ayan. Haluin lang natin muna mabuti yan. Okay. Haluin natin. And then, nag-prepare na ako ng hot water para lagyan natin ng water later. Saka papakuluin natin. But before that, we'll add a little bit or a pinch of salt. Kasi nga mamaya, di ba, for rice, para may taste din siya. Ayan. 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 So, malambot na yung ating French beans. So, ilalagay natin yung carrots. Okay. So, we're going to add the carrots now. Ayan. Maganda na yung kulay namin. Alam nyo ba guys, yung Team Sydney, sobrang masaya siya kasi ang daming views ng kanyang vlog, yung kanyang cooking vlog. So, sana supportahan nyo din kami, di ba? So, okay, for our jeera rice, ayan. So, na-mix na. So, hindi yan masyadong kumuloy. So, mix properly. Ayan. And then, I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water. Ayan. Ayan. And then, i-cover natin. So, parang rice lang din. Until such na, yung na mag-boil na siya hanggang sa, yun. Parang rice lang din pag nagluto tayo ng rice. So, ayan. It's already cooked. And then, we'll add our corn. Tadang! Ayan. So, yung ating steered buttered vegetable is almost done. Ayan. So, di ba healthy tayo kahit may butter. Okay. And then we're going to add a bit of salt and pepper para merong taste. Ayan. And it's also good for the health. Ayan. And then we'll mix it. Thoroughly mix it. Ayan. So, it's almost done. So, later papakita namin sa inyo yung presentation namin. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito na yung aming steered vegetable. Tawag ito? Steered butter vegetable. Ayan. So, kanina, hindi namin nakunan kung paano nilagyan. But nilagyan namin ng konting cornstarch para lumapot siya at magkaroon siya. Parang meron siyang little, konting curry like, yan. So, ayan yung aming buttered vegetable stir fry. Ayan. Okay, so, finished na. So, let's proceed for our paneer tawa fry. So, this is our paneer or the cottage cheese or the tofu. So, I cut it like this. Yan. Manipis. Ayan. So, imamarinate natin siya with this masalas. Okay? So, I have chili powder. I have a turmeric. At I have a paneer mix. So, I use paneer mix and then curd or yogurt. Ayan. So, ito yung gamit naming yogurt. Dahi. Ayan. It's a spoonful of help. Ayan. Dahi. Ayan. So, I'll mix it all. I-mix ko yan lahat and then lalagay natin yung paneer. Ayan. So, minix ko na siya. And then, i-dip natin yung paneer here. Okay. Ayan. So, mamarinate natin. And then, we will going to fry it. Ayan. So, let's see. Hintayin muna natin uminit yung ating pan. Ayan. Ayan. So, nalagay natin siya. And then, hintayin din natin mag-brown siya. Yung parang talagang, hindi siya sunog, pero yung talagang malutong. Yan. So, just wait for some time. So, we're almost done. So, ayan, yung ating jeera rice. Ayan. So, hindi nyo kasi maamoy. Pero, yung smell ng aroma niya is yung combined ng mga spices, spices. And then, yung jeera itself. Ayan, yung maliliit. Yan. Tinikman ko na rin and it's really tasty now. Mo tasty kasi ako gumawa. Hindi. But masarap talaga. Masarap siya. Masarap. Jeera rice. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan na yung aking tawa paneer fry. Or tofu fry with masalas and spices. Ayan. Ayan. And then, for our rice, ayan, tinignan ng aking asawa. Okay. It's okay? Perfect? You taste it? Ayan, okay daw. So, ayan, tapos na po kami. This is our creamy chicken with crispy corn. Yung aming buttered vegetable. Yung aming chicken curry. At ang aming fries. Our paneer tawa fry. And our dessert, of course. Ayan. Ayun. Thank you so much po at you become a part of this habang ginagawa namin. Ayan. So, sana nag-enjoy din kayo. So, later we'll do the presentation of all of this. Then, kakain na rin kami for our lunch. So, sana nandito din kayo para makakain sa amin. Ayan. And then, pwede din kayong gumawa nito sa mga bahay ninyo. It's very simple but very healthy din. Ayan. Okay. So, eto na yung aming finished products. So, okay. So, we have our jeera rice. We have chicken for our chicken curry. Our vegetable stir fry. Our paneer tawa fry. And our starter, creamy chicken with a crispy corn. Sorry. Ay, nako. Ayan. So, and then we have our dessert. Fresh fruits. So, ayan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Yun. So, we're going to eat now. I hope nandito kayo para at least matikman nyo rin yung niluto namin. Pero, syempre, pwede naman kayong magluto ng mga ganito kasi it's very easy, it's very nutritious, very cheap siya. Hindi siya yung expensive talaga. And it's always available. Siguro, if sa Pinas, medyo may mga ano lang sa mga spices. But then, there is always a replacement for that. So, ayan. Nasa atin na lang kung paano natin gawin. Kasi kami, hindi naman namin kung ano yung available sa bahay, yun lang talaga yung ginamit namin. Hindi kami talaga yung gumastos. Kasi alam mo yun, syempre, as of this moment, parang hindi naman gumastos pa tayo. So yun, kung ano lang yung available. If you notice this corn, ito yung corn na binili namin last week ata. Ewan ko ilang weeks na, mga last week yan, 1 week na. Inano lang namin, ni-remove yan. Tapos yan yung ginamit namin. So, kahit itong mga chicken, nung mga lockdown pa ito yung mga, kahit yung prutas, ayan. Yan. So, ayan. So, thank you so much again for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.